Leak Detection and Repair Service, Sydney, New South Wales. This is a great opportunity to add value to your plumbing service or grow the business as a separate entity. Services include pipe freezing, leak detection, service and utility location, and high-flow drain cleaning. The owner established the service in 2017 to support his plumbing business and avoid using third-party contractors. The business can be run from anywhere, and the owner is selling the business name, website, and equipment only. What the business needs now is someone to focus on marketing and growth to build a client base. If you have your own plumbing business, this would be a valuable addition, as your employees could work across both businesses.